Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to make a Thai recipe. It's a Thai stir-fried chicken. I'm using lots of lemongrass. I have already finely chopped it, and after chopping it I normally crush it with my mortar and pestle just to ensure that it releases those amazing lemongrass flavors. So let's start. I have heated here 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this I'm adding the finely chopped lemongrass. After chopping it finely, I crushed it a bit. Then add about a teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and a tablespoon of crushed green chilies. If you want to use Thai red chilies or Thai chilies, you can use it, but I find it too spicy. Then the Kaffir lime leaves. Give it a good mix. You don't have to brown it. This is done. Add the chicken now. And cook it on medium to high heat because the chicken are cut into very thin strips, so in no time it will get cooked. I'm adding now a tablespoon of fish sauce. And about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give it a good mix. The lemongrass has an amazing aroma to it, so that's what makes this recipe wonderful. I'm adding a little brown sugar, about a teaspoon of it, just for a little sweetness. So this is ready now. Finally, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on top, about half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And the dish is ready. I'm going to serve it now. Lemongrass chicken is ready, served with some cooked noodles. This is a very delicious recipe. The sweetness comes from the brown sugar and you have that very nice aroma of fresh lemongrass. Do try this very simple but very delicious lemongrass chicken. And do let me know about it. We will meet next time. Till then, bye bye.